Welcome to her vlog. Let me know if you have any questions on skincare. I'm an esthetician.
Yeah,
so I
sure.
can help you.
Thank you.
Ayaw, para direct po.
Hi, vlog.
We will stand tall.
Ang ganda ng labas. Ha? Naka-video po to, tita.
Hi, welcome to her vlog.
Welcome to her vlog.
Welcome to her vlog.
Vlog-vlogan. Ha? Ah,
Ikaw
sige.
na sa
First stop, Sephora.
Bango.
Pwede ba mag-video dito? Kumuha ko ng pang contour at saka yung isa, concealer. Ay, ang cute. Cute ang lagayan niya. Kailangan ko yata ng basket. I'm sorry.
anything I can help you find.
It's okay. Yeah, thank you.
Let me know if you have any questions on skincare. I'm an esthetician.
Yeah,
so I
sure.
can help you find.
Thank you.
Vlog. Rolling ka pa din.
Mm-mm. Dito tayo sa kusina ni Lorraine. Manlilibre siya ng halo-halo sa kusina ni Lorraine. Dito pa talaga sa Las Vegas. Ano mabango na ang gusto ko ng lechon. Ano? Meron silang inihaw na tilapia. Wow! May lechon. May mangga din sila. Meron din sila. Kasama cake. Ikutin natin para sa mga... Ikutin natin yung ano. Ikutin natin yung Asian store. Yan.
Pero hindi alam.
So, meron silang cornet. Ay. Wow. Ang sakit. Ang laki ng onion. Uy, may champurado din. Iba yung pansit kanto nila.
Ganyan yan, ganun lang ngayon.
Oh, so yeah, that's good.
Pagbukas na naman, pwede na. Asa na?
Ano maluwag ho. O baka petla ang mga katabi ko.
Oo, maluwag nga.
Maluwag na.
Oh, hi muna dyan. Hi muna sa ano.
So I'm gonna put this over here so
Hi muna sa vlog.
Picnic time.
We're leaving na.
looks familiar.
Yay,
Craig, then you go, Craig. And then,
Nakaka-story na ako, tapos
Right.
yung...
Tapos na yung ano, matrabaho mo.
did you close the door, right?
I'm late for work now because I circled back because I forgot. That's why I was gonna put it.
Snow. Yun?
Ayun
Oh,
na.
time good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna go all the way to that top part. That's more.
Down first there. There's no parking here.
Hindi pa rin yung handle up.
Oh, Karis. Hi, vlog. Ayan na si Kuya.
A lot of music. What do you want to eat?
Gusto ko sa Arawan.
Huh?
Gusto niya daw sa where's their son?
Hi, vlog. Dog vlog.
Umiikot.
Zoom out. Zoom in.
There's no bakery, there's ice cream places. Yeah. Oh, this.
Corn. I want corn dog.
Gusto ko rin. Ano mga corn
Yeah. Gusto ko niyan, corn dog. I have corn dog. Ano? Puppy half size. Ayun. Right here.
These ones are pretty good too, like the little ice cream stuff.
For dessert. Maybe just the first one.
Yeah, first one. I'm gonna go ask him something.
We'll just go around and do you want to... What are you having?
Probably this one.
Ano?
Ano yung pagkain mo?
Ito po, tita, oh.
Dami dalang to di boy.
Yung aming dalawa.
And I'm still gonna go pick up some stuff. Apparently they have a shrimp taco, so I got you a.
Ay ka muna dito sa camera. Hindi po siya. Nangunguha ng pagkain ng iba.
We will stand tall, face it all.
Saka na
Ano malalaman?
nalutong na pag
Not all. Yeah. There's a lot right here.
Yun ang anak niya. Masyadong bigat.
We could get duck food to feed them.
Ang laki ng isda. Anong isda yan?
Kuno yan, kuno.
Guno po? Baka mahulog si Karis.
Yeah. And dude, all these boats are for sale too. Some of these ones. Yeah.
Gutom na.
This one.
Chicken Thai wrap.
Mhm.
And then what side did you want with that?
Barbecue.
Barbecue chicken sandwich?
Maganda dito, hindi ma.
Punta natin yun.
Is there any rice here, Kuya? Rice.
Oh, I don't think they have rice.
For rice.
For tonight. Oh, what's up, you guys? Yeah, probably. Oh yeah, I can see how that's in.
Dito.